Hi there, these comments are for EA. I am Michael from BetterTOEFLScores.com. I hope that you are having a great day today, and you sent me a integrated speaking practice test that you want me to grade right now. And that's what I'm going to do. So let's see how you did on this one, and let's look at your email here. You say, using the points and examples from the lecture, explain what unity and contrast are and how they make the interior design more effective. Hi Michael, here is my recording from today. Thanks for all your feedbacks. It has been very helpful to have you as a tutor in this journey. I really appreciate your help. Thank you and have a wonderful day. And I'm going to put a semicolon here instead of a comma so you don't have a comma splice there. Okay? All right, here we go. Let's listen to your practice test.
Two things in effective design. The professor in the lecture is talking about basic principles to find balance between two things in effective design. And the first one that you mentioned is unity, which is a consistent design by bringing together similar elements. For
Okay.
this, she mentions the example of matching colors in different sides of the room. If you pick green, for example, and you put some light green on the walls, dark on the fabric, and green.
And don't use if you picked. I would just say if a designer chooses or if someone picks. So don't use the you point of view when you're summarizing lectures. That's not the right tone that you want to create for this type of speaking.
In the rug, you will have a unity that will be unified in order and looking comfort. The second example that she mentions is contrast, which is a breakup in the unity in
Okay.
some places in a careful and intentional way. For this, she brings the example of bringing some bright red cushions and putting in your green sofa. It will make things stand out and the green will look even greener, which will show how to create a contrast. That's what the
Okay, so looking at the actual rubrics here, let me think about it. I think the language use area, you had that problem shifting into that second person singular point of view. So I think that's a slight problem. Other than that, you had pretty good control over your vocabulary and your grammar. I think your topic development was good. It was organized, easy to understand the connection of your ideas, and you're speaking quickly with a few minor, very minor problems with pacing, right? So I'm going to put you at about 3 to 3.5. Good. I think your speaking is pretty good right now. I'm going to put your score here at 23 to 25 points out of 30 on this practice test. All right, thank you.